Good morning students. Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are fine. Today's thought of the day, and it is today is a great day to learn something new. Means when you are getting up from your sleeping now, what you will think that today is the new day, and you will try to learn something new things which will help you. So it is said that today is a great day to learn something new. यानी हर एक दिन को आज का दिन समझ के उसमें आप लोगों को नई नई चीजों को पढ़ना चाहिए. ओके स्टूडेंट. सो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स. जय स्वामीनारायण. I hope you all are fine. Okay students. So as I have explained you the whole chapter of this, that is sentences. Now today we are going to write, okay, and we are going to start writing in the textbook lesson number 1. See first question. Here now I have also written of which page we are writing. Yes, I have mentioned like page 1. So we are starting from page 1 and this one is question A. Okay. Question A, first one. What is the question? Use the given words to create sentences as instruction. Means the word will be given to you in which they have written whether you have to write exclamatory sentence, declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence or imperative sentence. Okay. So we have to find out that word and we have to write the whole sentence. Okay, I have taken the word and have underlined that word, so you can know the which word we have taken here. Okay, so see first here word is panther cup and we have to use this word into an exclamatory sentence. So we will write what a beautiful panther cup is. What a beautiful panther cup is, and in the end question mark. So this is an exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence we put in the end of that sentence question exclamation mark also. Okay, so we have used this word also which was given in the number 1 na panther cup. So we use that word and we have written the sentence that what a beautiful panther cup is, and in the end exclamation mark. So this is the first one. Then second one, house. By using the word house we have to make the declarative sentence. So we can write in this way: the house will be built on a hill. Means it is a normal sentence which can be correct also, which have the fact also that a house can be built on a hill. हिल के ऊपर घर बन सकते हैं हिलों पे. तो here the see the sentence the house will be built on a hill. This one is an declarative sentence. Okay, and in the end we put the full stop also because in this there is some kind of fact also that house will be built on a hill. Okay, then next, please complete my project. This is the kind of means what in imperative sentence what is there? It is a kind of command or request. So here it is please complete my project. It is a kind of request that someone is telling to please help complete my homework, यानी मेरे होमवर्क कंप्लीट करने में मेरी प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करने में मेरी हेल्प करो, या प्लीज कंप्लीट माय प्रोजेक्ट, प्लीज मेरा प्रोजेक्ट जो है उसे कंप्लीट करो. तो ये क्या हो गया? रिक्वेस्ट हुआ. सो प्लीज कंप्लीट माय प्रोजेक्ट इज अ which sentence? It is an imperative sentence as it is requesting to someone to help in completing the project. So this one is an imperative sentence. Then next, in next they have used the word bus, 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 and we have to use this bus word in the interrogative sentence. Means we have to ask someone the question. So how many people are there in the bus? It is a kind of question. यानी कि कितने सारे people बस के अंदर है. So So this is a kind of question, and in the end we have put the question mark also now. So this is an interrogative sentence, like how many people are there in the bus. Okay, then next again we have to write an imperative sentence only, but here we have to ask the command. So find my laptop. This is the command when we are telling to someone that go and do this or go and do that, and that's why we are asking here find my laptop, यानी मेरा लैपटॉप ढूंढो. तो ये क्या हो गया, कमांड हो गया. So this is an imperative sentence. So you will read and you will write in your textbook also. Okay. Then this one is on page number 2. In this now we have to find the subject, the verb and the object. Okay, it is not real that we can write here. So the verb can come here also and object verb can come here also. So we have to see the sentence properly and we have to write. Okay, so in this now only a box is given to you, that where you have to write the subject, where you have to write the verb and where you have to write the object. So like I is a subject, so I have written I. Verb means action word, so I have written love. And object is the word, that is chocolate. Then next, David met Lucy. Okay, subject, verb, object. It is not necessary that for this question number B, you can write what is I have written on this board here. You can write your own word also. Okay. Then next, C, question number C. That is also on page number 2 only. This one. Like for each of these sentences, write whether the highlighted word is the subject, verb or an object. Means here the whole sentence is given. In that ना they have highlighted the word. उन्होंने ज़्यादा से उसको डार्कली लिखा हुआ है, हाईलाइट किया है. तो हमें उस वर्ड को फाइंड आउट करना है, that whether it belongs to subject or verb or object. Okay, so see here, gradually Summer opened the door. Opened is an verb. So open, by seeing the word open is highlighted, we have written here verb. Okay, then next, Ritu tickled the dragon with a feather. Here the word dragon is highlighted and this is not an action word. So here we have written that dragon as an object. Okay, then next, Josephine lent her dress to her sister. यानी किसी ने अपना ड्रेस किसी को दिया, पर lend करना means lend is an verb, action word na. So here we have written for lend, we have written here verb. Okay, then next, Subrata found a dinosaur's egg in his backyard. Means here the word dinosaur egg. Dinosaur egg is not an subject also or not even the verb also. It is not an action word. So it is an object. So we have written here object. Okay. Then in next, fifth one. See, the committee donated Picasso to the museum. Means here na the committee. तो कमिटी है यानी जिसकी जो ये पूरा सेंटेंस बता रहा है कि उन्होंने क्या किया, तो उन्होंने डोनेट किया पिकासो को म्यूजियम में. तो द कमिटी इज द सब्जेक्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ नेक्स्ट, see the question number D, which is on the page number 2 only. Number 1 and 2 is on page number 2 only. So convert these sentences into statement or question. Means the numbers are given to you in this now. Some sentences are written as statement and some are written as question. So we have to read. If they are asked in a statement form, we have to write it into a question form. And if it is written in a question form, then we have to write it into a statement form. Okay. So first one, this is a mango tree. Now this is the statement. So we have to change this into an question. So here is this is a mango tree. What we will write there? Is this a mango tree? Then this will become the question. And in the end we will write what we will put there? Question mark also. So is this a mango tree? Get converted the statement to the question. Okay. So here by writing that helping verb first mark, this become the question. Is this a mango tree? And in the end we will put that question mark. So this is a question. Then second one, I am going to Ooty. Where I am going to Ooty is also a statement only. So we have to change that into question. Here also we will write a helping verb first. So am I going to Ooty? This become the question. क्या मैं सच में ऊटी जा रहा हूँ? Am I going to Ooty? And in the end we will put question mark. So this will become the statement into question. Okay. Now on page number 3, I have mentioned here that third one starts from page number 3 of D. Okay. So third one, see. She is a good friend. She is a good friend is a statement. We have to change that into question. So what we will write there? We will write the helping verb first. So is she a good friend? Okay. She is a good friend is a statement, and is she a good friend will get changed into question. Okay. Then next, shall we play hide and seek? Shall we play hide and seek? And in the end question mark is there. So that is a question. So we have to change the question into statement. So we will write that we shall play hide and seek, and in the end we will put full stop. So this will get changed into statement. Okay. We shall play hide and seek and full stop. This will change into statement. Then next, are we going to the fair today? So this is also an question. We have to change this into statement. So we will write that we are going to the fair today. So this will become statement. Okay students. Then sixth one. Don't we have to leave the school? Don't we have to leave the school? And in the end question mark is there. So this is the question one. So we have to write this sentence into statement. So we have to leave for school, and in the end full stop. So this will get change the question into statement. Okay. Then next, seventh one. Asta would like to join the team. Asta would like to join the team. This is the statement. So we have to change that into question. So what we will write there? We will write that would Asta like to join the team? This will change the question sentence into which sentence, which type of sentence into statement. And in the end we are putting what? Question marks here. First, Asta would like to join the team was the statement, and we change it into question. Would Asta like to join the team? We change the statement into question, and in the end question mark is also there. Then next, we are going on a trip. This is again the question. So we have to change this into statement. So we will write here we are going on a trip. So this has changed the question into the statement. Then next, we can play after we have finished our homework. Means when we will finish, when we will complete our all the work, we can play now. So they are asking that we can play after we have finished our homework. So this is the statement. So we have to change this into question. So we will write the helping verb first. Can we play after we have finished our homework? And in end question mark. So this is the question one. 10th one. Had Jatin looked at a map before starting the trip. This is the question 1. In the end there is a question mark. So we have to change the question into the statement. So we will write there, Jatin had looked at a map. Jatin had looked at the map before starting a trip. What it is? We have changed the question into statement that Jatin have looked at a map before starting a trip. Okay, students.